Testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Testing levels, levels is good. Levels is good, levels is good, levels is good. Levels is good, levels is good, levels is good. Testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Testing levels. Sound good to me, man. That's one thing I hate, bro. When I'm watching someone stream and like their mic's too low, bro. Shit, like again, I could be interested in the stream. You know what I'm saying? What they're talking about and everything, but like their microphone's too low, bro. Like that shit like pisses me off. But what did I say yesterday, bro? Did I say I'm interested in the 412 puts or what, dude? Do you remember? At the end of the day, I said we are going to. Don't worry. I'm still interested in the puts, even though we're looking bullish. Where was yesterday at? Like going until the close, right around here, bro. And I just freaking got rid of my freaking key level. But I was like, dude, I want the 412 puts, but not expiring yesterday. The ones that are expiring today. It was the 412 puts on the SPY, and it was the freaking it was the 326. The 326s on the Qs, and look, even the 326s, you would have been in the money. Look, market open right here. Like, especially from up here. But I was really talking about them spy puts, dude. Look, I was like, the 412s, you've been deep in the money right here, bro, at 410, bro. Telling you, dude. Like, I don't know. Something about it. Let's check out the market. But the only reason why I couldn't get them is because they were trying to make me use margin. I got that straightened out. You feel me? I mean, the way Success is over here putting in higher lows is making me think the market's going to continue to dump. Let's see what happens when we get the VWAP. Because I also see the S&P 500, like, I mean, I don't know what kind of pattern that is. I mean, those are the best patterns. Like, off the open, I'm not going to lie, bro. Like, that's where most of the heavy lifting gets done. Like if you're trading intraday, off the open, in my opinion, is where the best opportunity lies, but not directly off the open. Like AMD done cracked 100. Disney, oh look at Disney fucking excuse my French. Disney freaking faded after I added some Disney. What else? I added some Disney, some AMD, some Palantir. Let's check out Palantir. Alright. Still trying to hold 950s. As long as it can hold 950s, I think it's so good. I mean, dude, like fair price for Palantir, I believe, is around like $20, bro, $25 or something like that. So the fact that it's trading at 950 and holding that higher low, I'm good with that. I feel like some leaps on that thing would be good. Look, continuing to look weak, dude. I'm telling you, bro. Go back and watch the end of my stream yesterday, bro. I called it out. I said, dude, that shit looking trappy. And if we don't dump, in the 10 minutes of terror, we are going to just like continue to fade and gap down or dump either after hours or pre-market. That's exactly what happened. Things would have been deep in the money over here, bro. Deep. The 412 puts, we're trading at like 412, like right here at high a day. That's where I was saying I'm interested in them 412s at. But at the end of the day, yesterday. And all right, we're about 30 minutes into the trading period here. I mean, I'd say that there should be some short-term ranges put in by now. I would have liked to get on earlier, bro, but I forgot to set my alarm. Showing up is half of it. Damn, bro, the market looking kind of bearish, bro. Let's see where we're at in the grand scheme of things on this S&P 500, bro. A lot of topping action on the daily up here, bro. Look, we're at the top. Look. Reject. Broke above it, but reject, 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 reject. So, I mean, we've rejected off of these levels now. A few times, bro. We've rejected from up here a few times. Like those 411 puts I'm interested in. They're 74 cents, 75 cents. I mean, I'll draw one. I don't know what this adaptive shit is. What the fuck? Bro, they still giving me issues. I took my shit. I put my shit on potential pattern. No, I have a cash account. And look, the price, like in that quick of time, look, the price went from 75 cents to 85, bro. Fucking bullshit. Bro, they like, I changed my shit to a fucking cat. Shit. Look, dude. Look, I just called them out, bro. Look, I just called them. I just called them out, dude. Look, they went from fucking. Where'd they go from? Which ones were you even looking at? I don't know. The price has changed so much, bro. I was looking at the 411s. Look, they were freaking 75 cents. Now they're $1.06. They already went up 30 bucks. But like they're still like, I changed my shit to take off the margin, but it's still trying to tell me that giving me a like a PDT rule, bro. And I'm not trying to risk it. You feel me? Because even though I switched it to cash, if they're giving me that error message, something hasn't changed in the system yet. I don't want to be flagged for PDT, bro. I don't see why it would matter though if I don't use margin. Like, dude, I swear, bro. Like, right there, and I was just trying to execute the 411s from here to here. Like, they changed. They went from 75 cents to like $1.07. 30 bucks. I was gonna get like 5 of them. I've been a quick 150. I mean, whatever, bro. I'm still here. I'll still call out the play. Look, but this is what I was saying. If you look at the S&P 500, every time we've come up to like this 41.24, we've pretty much rejected. Look, right here. Yeah, we broke above it here, but broke back down. Reject. Look, reject, reject, reject. And now we're chopping around it. But I mean, we chopped around it a few times here. Look, we've been chopping around it for a while now, bro. Since April and shit. So, dude, it's due to dump. It's due to dump, bro. And look, you're seeing it in real time, bro. Dude, I'm telling you. I called them out yesterday. The 412 puts expiring today, and the 326s on the queues. Them shits would have been deep in the money, bro. Deep. Meta's like, I don't know, man. We could finally see that thing pull back a little. I don't know yet, cause AMD is still pretty bullish, but Nvidia is like dumping now, off the highs. Look, where's it? Come on, man. I gotta try it. I gotta type this in. See, it's dumping. You feel me? So I would expect AMD to follow it. I mean, if I'm being honest, I'd expect AMD to dump. Look, where it's off the highs. Little topping action up there at about uh about 101.50s or so. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. Look, the S&P 500 is like damn near on the lows, bro. Damn, son. Every time I try to get filled on some, like, there's always some bullshit, bro. Like, shit. I'm like, we're still fading. I would have still been in those. The 411s. Look. Wait. Cancel that. Yeah, you see where I was trying to get filled at, though? Like, here. Look, them bitches worth like $1 now, bro. $1.06. This is the actual contract of the, this is the chart of the actual contract. So down here, look. Now, right here is where I was trying to get filled at 70 cents. They went all the way up here to 107. Dude, I just got off the phone with them people a couple hours ago, bro. It's always some bullshit, dude. Oh, my bad. See, that pisses me off, bro. Like I was trying to freaking do a little trading out. Alright. I mean, I see some bullishness coming in. I wouldn't trust it though, bro. This is a freaking trappy looking pattern right here, bro. Look at this. Like, push up, dump a little lower, push up, dump a little lower, push up. You can expect us to dump a little lower. I don't know. Is there some support down there for 41.15s? I would expect us to keep dumping, bro. Just based on the pattern. Look, I know what trappy price action looks like. That shit looking trappy. Look, all you gotta do is look at success. Look, putting in higher lows. And it's about to go front side. If success goes front side, look, it rejected off the 120 twice already. If it gets back up there and tests it for a third time, bro, we keep dumping. What a winner though. AMD on the highs, bro. Even as Nvidia is looking weaker. I mean, there seems to be some volume coming in. Let's see how short-lived it is. Look, we're way backside, dude. Look, Look at that. Them 412s, dog. Go back and watch my stream from yesterday. Just the end of it. I was actually going to make some shorts on that. But, I was like, fuck it. If anybody's seen it, if they seen it, like, I'm not going to go back and reiterate it. All right, now we got some bullshit coming in. Tesla's going front side. So it's decent. And the Qs, obviously tech is a lot stronger, bro. Because the SPY is way backside. The Qs are front side. Now, as long as the Qs are front side, you got a chance. If the Qs break back down and go backside, and the SPY is still backside, bro, like, that's it, bro. This shit gonna be a meltdown. We're just gonna dump. So, very important here. Look, Tesla's like trying to prop up the Qs right now. Look, Tesla about to go backside. Tesla goes backside. That's the first domino. You need to fall for some fading. And then it's going to be Apple on the Qs. Look. Looking like it wants to crack. See, I was gonna freaking stay on and stream, bro, like a decent amount of time, but like, dog, I need to call my broker again, bro, and make sure my shit, cause I'm not trying to get flagged. Look, I'm Tesla about to crack it. Look, this is what I'm talking about with the trappy pattern, bro. Look, push up, dump a little lower, push up, dump a little lower, push up. I mean, dump a little lower. We can even get up as high as this chop right here. And it can still be trappy. As long as we don't break past this 41.21 90s, it's still trappy. Because it's stepping down. You feel me? Like, look, range right here. Broke that down. So now we're looking at the next. You feel me? We have to break out of this range. Look, it's like little like stairs. That's how I look at it. I don't know though. It's hard, bro, because tech's super bullish. Look, AMD's like damn near on the highs. So right now, you just have to chill and see what's gonna happen, bro. Look, I said we can get up here, bro. As long as we don't break past this shit, it's still trappy in my opinion. Damn, bro. I missed my trade, dude. That's 2 days in a row. I missed a decent freaking trade. I missed a good look on some freaking technical bullshit, like some clerical error, bro. You can't cry over spilled milk, though. Cause guess what, bro? Stock market ain't going nowhere, bro. What did I say, dude? Same shit I was just drawing in on the spine, the Qs. The Qs are a little stronger, but look at the SPY. Look. Same thing like the S&P 500. Push up, dump. push up, dump, push up, dump. But look, like after each push up, each subsequent bounce is just bouncing up to where we dump to, and then it's just continuing the stair step down. You feel me? Now tech is a little stronger because it's actually bouncing up higher than where we dumped previously. See what I'm saying? And every time I see that VWAP on, like, slant down like that, it means that there's some buyers stepping in. I don't know why my VWAP does that. But, so little quirks and stuff that I picked up on, like dealing with this platform. One thing I don't like about it is when I go to like enter my orders, I can't like choose whether to use margin or cash like on each individual order. Like on Fidelity, that's one thing I was able to do. Like I could use both to like just give me a choice. Alright, let's see. Again. Alright, let's see how far we rejected off of that level each time. I mean, those are decent rejections, bro. At least down to 3,800 or 39, 38. You know what I'm saying? If we're just looking at like each time we rejected, like how far we dumped. Look, stock says, I mean, rejecting off previous close, that's pretty bullish for the stock market. But, I mean, it's not going without a fight. As far as I'm concerned, we've been putting in higher lows. It's like squeezing up into a wedge. Look. Something like that. I don't know what's up with these trend lines on this shit. Like, I'm not used to it. Man, look, it's squeezing up into like a wedge up on previous close here. Now, the S&P 500 is breaking past that last little dump area. So that is, you feel me? Bullish. But that is a lower time frame. Let's go to a higher time frame. Oh, it looks like on the 3-minute we opened a new candle up there. Yeah. 41.22. I remember that level. 41.22, significant. AMD off the highs here. Meta's grinding up. Nvidia topped out. Faded. Now it's grinding back up. You can't see it. It's underneath the AMD chart. Look at these wicks right here, bro. 41.22 rejection. 41.22 rejection. It's looking like a rejection. One thing you have to be cognizant of is that volume that comes in around 11 o'clock. That could be enough to push us up. You feel me? To a little bit more bullish activity. Let's just go past that. Yeah, thanks for the follows, guys. I need more followers. My bad, bro. Like, I was planning on jumping on and doing some gaming, bro. I couldn't find the energy for it. I think I need to start running again. Tesla's front side, that's good. Remember, I told you I added some Tesla to the long term, some Apple, some SPY, some Qs, added some Palantir, added some Disney. I mean, Disney's like back down where I freaking almost where I added at. Yeah, it's where I added at. I don't think it's a bad. I don't think we're in a bad spot to add to Disney. Sub 100. I wish you could see the chart. It's underneath it. All right, so look. Now we clearly have a change in the pattern here. And you can see, look, success is dumping. Everything's looking pretty bullish right now. So look, push up, dump, push up, dump, push up, not dump, just a higher low. So now you want to see us break past this chop right here, in my opinion. See right here where we like gap down and kind of try to find some support. And now look, actually, if we can get up here and past this 41.28, then we're in this little gap fill territory. Looking bullish right now. Everything on the highs, damn near. Nvidia, AMD, Meta pushing back up. Oh yeah, we're looking bullish. I'm still interested in what we do here though. 41.28. Look. Rejected here. Rejected here. Came up here and tested it. It's looking like we're trying to reject again. Show me. Nice little rejection there. Let's remove some of these trend lines. Oh shit. Even off my, like, I would have been straight. Like 5 or 10 puts off that first little play, dude. I would have been done already. I still could have put the order through, but I ain't trying to risk it. It's not worth it. See, right now, it's like hard to call, bro. What shit? Damn. Hold on real quick. Ugh. Hopefully that don't make too much noise. Look, I mean, really, if you look at the chart, let me see. I mean, bro, in my opinion, it's still looking trappy to me, bro. Look, just look, reject, reject, reject. I mean, it's almost like, if you flip the chart upside down and look at it, it would look like we're obviously bullish, but it looked like we're putting in higher lows. You feel me? If you flip that chart upside down. So it's like, right now, it's basically showing me the inverse of higher lows, which is bearish. Now, it could change if we come up here and break past this 411 411.80s or whatever. It can change. But if we don't come up here and break past this level in any meaningful way, bro, it's still bearish. And as you can see from the S&P 500, look. Man, we can get rid of some of these levels. But look. Only thing we did here is just come up here and double top. Look. Bomb. Bomb. Like we broke back down past where we dumped to 41.22. If I'm not mistaken, that is a key level from the other day, bro. So very crucial right here. Sucks I couldn't take any, I couldn't jump on. I mean, it sucks I couldn't take that trade, bro. I'd have been straight, son. Because again, like, I'm not in it for home runs. You feel me? It's just base hits every day, bro. That's it. That's what you've got to be going for. Base hits. I already knew what time it was. What, we're just dumping? See? So now, look. Would I be watching? First, this is 41.18. And then this 41.15s. Right here. On the S&P 500. I'll be watching that. Feel me? Because if we come down there and crack those, then you know for sure, bro. Look, nothing but a double top. I mean, not to say there wasn't any opportunity to trade to the upside during this time, but just looking at it, I mean, it's just a double top. And now, look, you got Apple backside, broke down previous close. Tesla's still bullish, which is good. I mean, I don't want to see us bearish, bro. Like, I want the market to be bullish because when the market's bullish, like I make money regardless. But you know what I mean? That's the difference between long-term investing and actually trading. If you can do both, it's almost like a hedge, especially when the market's fading like this. And then there's those awesome days where freaking the market's bullish and you freaking you take advantage of that on a long-term scale as far as a long term, and also intraday, like as far as trading. What I am seeing is some topping action on AMD, but I don't know, dude. Like tech is obviously stronger, but I don't know, bro. See, at this point, it's like we're getting to like that almost at 11 o'clock time where volume comes in the market. But as of now, that should look bearish. Apple on the lows. Apple on the lows. Tesla down there on the highs. AMD on the highs. I don't know what's going on with Apple. And look, there's that first little barrier. 4118. Looks like we're breaking that down. Dude, that 167.50s on Tesla. Some resistance there, bro. For sure. I mean, is AMD finally going to back up off the highs here, bro? Let's see where the actual level is up there. And these are 15-minute candles. It's still, I mean, even on the 15 minutes, putting in higher lows, bro. Oh no, AMD's been winning, son. Not gonna lie. Meta was close to 250. Like a few days ago. So it kind of backed off a little bit. All right, look at this pattern here on the 3-minute. Tell me what you see, bro. It's looking pretty bearish. It's my opinion. I'm trying to stay on for like an hour, bro. And after that, I need to jump back on the phone here. My broker dog. I don't even know why. Like, that doesn't make any sense. It's I never use margin. I don't even think I signed up for it. Maybe I did, because maybe you need yeah, but I never used it. I don't know how that's affecting my ability to trade. It's letting me, it's like, it's giving me the option to put the orders through, bro, but it's giving me like a warning, bro. I don't want no warnings on my account. I mean, I guess I could have freaking executed in my other account. That's why it's good to have a few different brokerage accounts. But I don't try, like, I got a few of them, but like the other ones are mainly long term. So I'm not really doing any intraday trading. All right, we got some bullishness coming in. Uh, keep look at the time, bro. It's getting close to 11 o'clock. I mean, sometimes it's a little early, sometimes it's a little late, but you can bet, from between like 10:45 and 11:30, uh, you get like some volume that comes in the market. I believe I heard someone say it's from Euro Close. Another channel that I watch sometimes. Anyways, dude, go back and watch that stream yesterday, bro. I called it out. I mean, at this point, you had already taken profits. So, well, we're seeing some bullishness come in for sure. Apple's back front side. Tesla's on the highs. The Q's are front side. I mean, the SPY still has a ways to go. I don't know about this pattern though. Look where we bounced up to. Just like where we dumped at. I mean, I guess that double top is going to be the ruin. I don't like that we stopped right here. Let's zoom in. I mean, we broke above the chop. Well, actually, you're right on at 41.22. That is a level. It's looking like we're trying to grind up and put in some higher lows. Look at this. Look at the 2 minute though. Reject. Decent rejections of 41.28. So I'm gonna call that a key level. 41.28. And I remember that level from the other day too, dog. That's not any old level. That's a key level. AMD still topping out up here. I mean, close to the highs though. But I mean, when you usually see a topping pattern like this for that long, and we refuse to go any higher, bro, then usually what follows is a decent rejection. I'm gonna just keep it real with you. Off this 101.75. You can't deny that's topping action, bro. No, depends on this thing. Because now I'm starting to see some bullishness come back in. But keep in mind, we're still trading within this range. Uh, look, 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 look. Look. And now look. So the thing's turning into like a doja candle. And look at this. Look. Topping out up here, bro. Oh, this thing about to fade, son. You can see the trappiness a little better on the 3-minute on this S&P 500. Look. Again, bro, push up, dump, push up, dump lower, push up. We just didn't dump lower. We stopped and we pushed up. Now it's contingent on what happens here. But look, the time though. So that little volume that we get in based off of 11 o'clock or whatever could be enough to keep the market afloat. Prevent us from dumping too much. I mean, Meta is putting in some higher lows here, but it's like there's some resistance up here. See something? Look, got up to 240. Look at that pattern. It's almost like a wedge. See that? I forgot what that pattern's called. Was it a flag? Yeah, because look, here's like the top of the flag. But I don't know if that's a bull flag or a bear flag. I don't really subscribe to like looking at patterns and shit. Okay. If you're looking for patterns all the time, I feel like you're looking at the wrong thing. You know what I mean? Like, instead of like looking for patterns, you should just be watching the price action. That's how I feel. That's why I never like subscribe to like any like patterns like this. So I don't know any. I never focused on that. Because price action is king, bro. That's it, dog. A lot of levels here. This is looking pretty messy. I'm gonna get rid of all of them. And right now, I'm still gonna say that shit looking trappy, my guy. To be quite honest with you, look, things could change. I'm just like the situation is fluid. You feel me? But I'm gonna say it's still looking a little bit trappy for my taste. But I don't know that. See, it's hard though, because look at where the Qs are on the highs though, and this. But the SPY is like obviously tech's a lot stronger, bro. Oh my bad, I was on the wrong chart, dog. That's why I got to keep OBS open, bro. Now look. Depending on how far we bounce up right here. For 1160s, for 1150s on off the 10-minute. Actually, let's go to the 20-minute and find a real resistance. Or I wouldn't say resistance, some real levels. And as you can see, 44 1160s going straight across is significant. Right here, 4 1150s on the SPY. Look, chopping around, support broke down, bounce off of it, reject, gap up, break down, reject, support, come back down, trying to hold it as support, broke down. Now we're above it right now. We're trading at 4 1170s. For 1150. Let's go ahead and make that a key level on the SPY. And as of now, we're above it. So definitely looking bullish right now. Look, the Qs are on the highs, bro. That's crazy. I don't see how there could be such a disparage between the two. Yeah. See right here, it's only additional sources available. Like Arca, Bats. It's another thing, bro. For how much I'm paying for market data, I feel like I should be getting all that. So like next month I'm gonna try out TradingView. I already called him and spoke about it. I just have to take I gotta take the basically I have to unsubscribe to the market data, but the dude told me that I can unsubscribe now and I will still get my market data through the end of the month, because it goes through the month and it auto renews. But I don't want to unsubscribe from it now and then they take it away, even though I still have half the month left. So I'm going to set a reminder. We'll check out the differences and see which one's better. But I mean, I've executed some trades on here and it seems fine to me. Like I said, the only thing I don't like about this platform is like I can't like change the background of the chart from like pre-market and after hours. See, like from right here to right here should be like gray or something. You feel me? It's like one of my main gripes with this platform. And then the freaking margin thing, bro. Like on your order entry window, I feel like it should give you the option to use margin or not. I mean, don't get me wrong, like I'll use margin like if I'm swing trading. But like on intraday trading, like especially with the derivative, there's really no need to use margin, bro. I mean, unless you're buying like 1,000 contracts or something. Like I don't know who's doing that besides the big dogs. I mean, the most I'll get is like 10, bro. Like 20 max. And like I can cover that with my cash balance. Plus, like cash clears. It's like what is it? T1 or something? T2. Like the amount of time it takes for your cash to clear. Like cash clears overnight. Especially with the derivatives. If you're trading the derivatives, there's no PDT and cash clears overnight. So like I keep my freaking balance like at a set amount, and whatever profits I make, I just transfer out and put in my long term. And that's also prevented me from like getting too big for my britches. You know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck? Like, what is that noise? I hope that background noise ain't coming through on my shit. Let me turn this mic down. Well, let me check out the stream real quick, dog. So I had like my webcam mic was on there, but it was muted. But if that shit was on, it was making a lot of noise. Let me check out the stream real quick, dog. So I had like. No, it sounds good. What the fuck? Like, what is that noise? Yeah. All right, look at the S&P 500. I mean, dude, 41.22, bro. Like, get back above that. If you're truly bullish, if we're gonna truly be bullish, like we need to break above 41.22, bro. You know what I'm saying? And especially we need to break past this double top and into this gap fill area right here. If we can't get I mean, all right, we're trying. Oh, like I want to fucking make some trades, bro. Like I'm missing out. Look, AMD on the high is 102 flat. Let's zoom in. Dude, how can AMD be so bullish? I mean, Nvidia's on the highs too. Look. Damn near. Look at Meta. So obviously, look. It's clear that there's some resistance up here, bro. So maybe next time we come up here and test these levels up here, you fade. Little trade idea. Remember, nothing I say is a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. First of all, no one has a crystal ball. All right? But as far as I can tell, every time we came up here and tested 238.19s, we dumped. Look. Nice little fade you could have caught off each one of those. Those are the type of patterns I look for. I don't look for any patterns like on the candles. Like what do you call them? Like head and shoulders, and like whatever them shits are, bro. Like bull flags, bear flags, all that shit. I mean, no, I do look at like double and triple tops though. Those are patterns that I definitely use. But look at the spot. It's just, when in doubt, zoom out. 411.50s. I maintain that we still need to break above that in order to not be trappy on the SPY. And 411.58, see right here, this key level. I maintain that. And we're already backside. Look, previous close way up here. So, I mean, we're not asking for a lot for us to just get back over this level. If we can't do that, you have to assume that we're bearish, bro. Straight up. Right? Now, if we break past this 41.22s right here, 41.2265, then the SPY can get over that. And looking at the way success is fading, it's not far-fetched that we start seeing some bullishness. But again, success is only dealing with the semis, bro. But I kind of use them. I use it to gauge like tech. For the most part, it works. Look at the difference here. The Qs are way up here on the highs. The SPY is backside closer to the lows. Apple is on previous close trying to crack it. But Tesla's way up here at the highs. It's a confusing little quandary here, bro. Alright, so look. The SPY did what we asked. Okay. In order for it to really be valid, in my opinion, we need to open a new candle above this level. But look at this. Oh shit, I was on the wrong chart. My bad. So the SPY did what we asked for a second. Like I'm saying, in order for it to truly be valid, I'd like to see a new candle open above that level on at least a 5 minute. Look at this. So double top here, and now instead of us coming up and testing the same level where there was a double top before, we came up and tested the 120 and rejected off that. And now look, we came up and almost tested the 120 and rejected off that. So, I mean, you can even look at the highs here and see that we're stepping down. Look, here, 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 here. I'm like I'm saying, if you flip this chart upside down, you feel me? If you flip that upside down, it just looked like we're putting in higher lows. Look, higher low. Higher low, higher low, higher low, if the chart was upside down. But since it's not upside down, we're putting in the inverse of higher lows, which is bearish. But dude, I don't know how bearish we can be with AMD on the highs like this, and in Nvidia. Look at Nvidia. Oh shit, dude. That shit about to test 300. Like whoever's been trading Nvidia, like just got some calls to the upside, been doing decent. AMD and Nvidia. They've been winning, my guy. Look, when in doubt, zoom out on the 5 minute. The S&P 500 hasn't showed us anything, bro. We're still struggling with 4122s. Look, 41150s. The SPY's broken past it a few times, but failing to open a new candle above that level. I mean, one thing I do like is from the bottom of the range, we have been putting in higher lows. So that's kind of bullish. No, we're definitely looking bullish. All right. So now we've broken past 4122. And cross-reference it with success. This thing's fading. And then, I mean, Meta. Let's see what happens when Meta gets up here and tests this 238 again. Let's see if we can fade off of that again. Haven't got up there yet, but we're definitely seeing some bullishness. I mean, that's a decent little push on the 5 minute right there. Feel me? Decent. Above this. We need to get above this. Looking decent. Don't be fooled. I mean, we broke above that 41150, so we have done it a few times. I don't know, bro. With the SPY looking rather weak to me, but the Qs being on the highs and the S&P 500 still looking kind of trappy. I am going to say that it is more likely that we continue to look bearish and the SPY actually drags the Qs down with it. So I guess the best risk to reward would be fading the Qs off of a real level, off of a real resistance. Dude, we haven't. No, that's like bullish though. Like the Qs ain't been up this high in a minute. Hold on, let me see something. Look, we ain't been up here. We ain't been up this high in a hot minute, bro. 428. Last time we've tested these levels was back in August of last year. So that is I ain't gonna lie, that's kind of bullish. But this is also what we need to watch. Reject. Broke above for a little bit, but reject. 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 Feel me? Look at those rejections off of that. 41.22. Give or take. Going fading as low as 39.50s, 38. Let's just go back in this year. Look. So April, we're up here testing this 41.22. Rejected around the 16th. Now look, we're in May. It's the 16th. So if there's any rhyme or reason, you would expect us to reject off of that level and dump. You feel me? That's what I'm looking at. And I called it yesterday, bro. I'm telling you, go back and watch the end of my stream. I said, dude, get the 412 puts on the SPY expiring today. And them shits would have been deep in the money right now. Now, the Qs, I was saying grab the 326 puts. But look, down here, they're in the money. Right off the open, you get out. You feel me? I was saying grab them over around here, look. Oh. Like right around here. Like right before the close. Because remember, I was like, it's too late in the day to get same day expirations. You have to go out to the next day. That was a winning play. I'm gonna stay on till, you know what I mean, like a little bit longer, because I don't want to miss the whole trading period. I need to call and verify that I'm not going to get flagged for PDT for executing orders, even though I switched to a cash account. So I don't want to wait too long and then Like I miss any opportunities. Honestly, if I would have got executed on that trade, I probably would have been done. I was getting 5. Uh, and they went from 75 to 107. So probably nah. Yeah, I wouldn't have been done because it would only been like 160 or something, 170. Like I at least, you know what I mean. Feel like I need to make at least freaking a couple $100. You know what I mean. That's really all it takes, dude. Like, if you got some other side hustles and shit, you feel me? And you're adding to your long term, bro. That's all you really need. Like, because it compounds over time. So as long as you can just put together, you know what I mean, string together a good amount of green days out the month, you're good, bro. I'm watching AMD here. We have been topping out. I don't know though. Like, one thing we need to be mindful of is we broke above a major psychological level, which is $100. You feel me? I like AMD. I like them for the long term for sure. I mean, I got an AMD build. So and I know a little bit about the GPU and CPU space just from like building my own computers and stuff. So, and I definitely know they're on to something. Look, look at the S&P 500. Still haven't really shown us that we can break above this 4122, bro. Look, and now look at success. So I would expect AMD to be backing off. Yep, backing off the highs. Let's see if we can hold the higher low though. And look, did we come up here and test that again and fade off of it? Like I said, yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can I get my thrills? I started installing some of my music shit. I've been neglecting my music channel. I need to jump back on that thing, bro. Like, my subs are still going up on there. I haven't uploaded anything new on that shit in like forever, bro. That caught my attention. Lets me know I need to put in some work, dog. The SPY still playing with 41150s. The S&P 500 still playing with this 4122. Now Tesla's fading, but Apple's bouncing. That's conflicting to me because I have them both in the long term. I don't like to see that. Let's check out Disney. Another one I recently added. I mean, this is around where I added at. Like where we dumped from like off the earnings. So yeah, down here, like right above $90. Let's check out some Nvidia hit a 52-week high. By the way, let's check out the long term, see what it looks like. Okay, all right. Up on the day, but not by much. Let's check out some stuff off the watch list. All right. Most talked about stocks are, again, AI, Nvidia, PACW, TRKA, BAC, and WAL. Let's check some of these out. AI. Giving you decent range to trade off of, son. Off the open, a lot of volatility. Found some support down here. And just ripped off of it twice. $23 flat. First one off the watch list, you would have been aware of. Obviously, Nvidia, we already went over that. 52-week high. $295. That was on the watch list. PACW. All right, was looking bullish. Hit 570 before fading. But look, you could have caught that both ways. Look, market open right here. Right here. So you could have caught it. I mean, honestly, especially look, I have a level drawn up here at 573. See it up there? So more than likely I would have been looking to fade after the push. Those are the easiest patterns to trade. Bullish off the open, top out. I already know there's resistance up here, so pretty safe to fade. So that was another one. Troika. Penny stock. Nice little fader. BAC, is that Bank of America? Yeah. Another one off the watch list. Decent little fade there. You would have seen that. Look, you would have seen that top in action. You would have knew there was a fade possibility there. And Walmart. No, Western Alliance Bancorp. Okay, look. Look, I even had this one on the watch list too. Look, that's why I have a level drawn in 25.16 ever since we came down there and bounced off that. Been putting in higher lows. Look, push up, higher low. Make sure I'm on the right chart. All right. Higher low. Push up again. Holding the higher low, which is previous close. So, as long as this thing can just hold previous close, there still might be some running left in it. Might not be today, but if it can just hold. All right, April retail sales report is out. That's today. That might have caused the dumping. Retail sales report out. Wednesday, collapsed bank executives will testify. While we're doing that, let's look at some. Look, GME up 1.25%. So what about AMC? I am no sympathy. I'm still impressed that AMC is above $5 though. Amazon up 2%, decent. Obviously, AMD up 4.5%. Baba China stock up. Oof, that thing running, bro. Big Bear AI down. Crypto's down. ChargePoint's down. Carvana down. Chicken Soup for the Soul down. Google and GME up. Google, look at Google. Bullish, bro. I'm telling you, tech. Microsoft up 1.25%. Bullish. Dude, tech. Obviously, Nvidia up. We already went over that. The Qs are up 0.5%. Look at that, dude. Now, hold on. The S&P 500 has clearly broken above 4122. So I'll be leaning more towards the recovery, reversal, bullish side right about now. Me personally. TSM on the highs, just like AMD. No surprise there. Tesla up almost 1.5%. That's definitely bullish for tech. Drama for your mama is up. And SPRY is also up. 750s up the on the low, 816 on the high. Let's look at the daily. Look at that, dude. That thing popped the other day, bro. That's why it was on the watch list. Look, from 530s up to 975. So you want us to hold a higher low at 750s? Actually, I mean, really previous close, but line in the sand. I mean, previous close, bro. 730s. Actually, about 712 is where I'd be looking for us to hold a higher low at. 709. I mean, the SPY is above that key level. Apple's looking weak and trappy, bro. Look, so remember what I was saying? I would expect the SPY to drag the Qs down. Look. Double top rejection. Double top rejection. And now fading. I was just saying a nice little dump. Let's see if AMD finally gives some back. That'd be a decent fade from off the top of the range. Let's look at the daily on AMD and get some real levels. Hold up. Okay, so look. Resistance up here off the daily at 102.50s. So major, nice round number, 102.50. Now we did break above that here last year in August for a second. And I mean, we got as high as 170 going back in 2021 and all that. 150s, 170. But in March, we're here testing 102.50s. Now we're testing it again. Didn't quite get up there. So, I mean, honestly, you could see this thing come up and test that before it fades. But if I had to guess, I say we fade. Start fading soon, bro. Because look at the S&P 500. It's playing around here, bro. Reject. Fill in the gap. Double top reject. No, another double top reject. I mean, really straight across here. 41.26. Look. Where's our low at? All the way down here. $41.15. Look, dumping and slumping, bro. Dumping and slumping, bro. What did I say? $4.12 puts, bro. I maintain that. Them shits would have been deep in the money. You had already cashed out, dude. You'd have been done for the day, bro. Come on now, bro. I'd never tell you anything wrong now. You feel me? I'd never tell you anything wrong, dog. I promise you. Not on purpose, anyways. Like I said, no one's perfect and no one has a crystal ball or nothing. I'm just saying, from my little experience that I have, like, you pick up on certain things. And all it is I mean, it's like there's no big secret. It's just the screen time. Screen time equals green time, baby. What did I say, bro? And what did I tell you about Meta as well? Yeah, come up here and test this 238. What's more likely? That since we rejected off of it 4 or 5 times, that we reject again and it's a fade opportunity, or not? Is that what I said? I said it. Go back and watch the stream, bro. And then Nvidia's even dumping off the highs now. Look, Meta definitely dumped off the highs, bruh. Look at that. Decent little fade you could have caught. Up here, you're looking at the 238 puts. We're trading at 237 and dumping more, bro. Them things would have been fucking printing right now, dude. Straight up. And you see me try to execute. Look, back down here. Now we're like trying to get down here close to the bottom of the, like, the bottom half of that range. Because there was two. There's the top half and the bottom half. Now we're in the bottom half. Not in a good place. Biden, McCarthy set to meet again on uncertainty of debt ceiling. I don't know, bro. Like, Meta's something pretty decent right now. If we crack VWAP, we could see fading down to at least 236 flat. So about here, if we crack VWAP. Right here. That's a higher low, 237.27. So if we crack it, which it looks like we're doing right about now, look at that. Again, 236, 237 first, then 236.50s, then 236. Those are intraday resistances I see on Meta. What did I say, bro? Did I say it was trappy or not? That's all I want to know. I said it was trappy. I ain't looking at no headlines. I ain't looking at no news. Nothing. Strictly based off the price action, bro. Because all that news and them headlines and all that, bro, like, it's just distractions, bro. It's better to just focus on the price action. Now, obviously, my bad. I was on the wrong chart. Now, obviously, like when the CPI and the PPI is coming out and all that, like, that's something different. You need to be aware of that. But other than that, I mean, I wouldn't focus too much on the news. Like I said, the news is bought and paid for by the powers that be. So whatever narrative they want to push, it's going to get pushed. That's just how it is. So, I mean, yeah, watch the news maybe, but you got to take that shit with a grain of salt. Like all those analyst upgrades and all that. And I mean, if you're taking this serious and you're in the markets every day, you already know that. But maybe, you know, that was for people that, maybe just getting into it, or don't have a lot of screen time under their belt yet. Screen time makes green time. You heard it here first. Hashtag screen time equals green time. Stay away from chat room alerts. Learn how to get it out the mud, dog. Feel me? NVIDIA on the highs. Why do I have NVIDIA on 2 charts? NVIDIA on the highs. NVIDIA is looking like it's about to crack 300, bro. They do have a lot of AI. Yeah, their GPUs. Their GPU sales for like gamers and shit are down, but their AI GPUs, the really expensive ones, are in high demand. And NVIDIA is the industry leader when it comes to GPUs and I won't say silicon, but GPUs. Like with their 4090, it's top of the line, most powerful GPU you can get right now. It's just $1,600, bro. I mean, for $1,600, dog, I can go buy a PlayStation 5 and upgrade my AMD GPU to the top of the line Team Red GPU and still have money left over to buy a new freaking 4K OLED. Like, I already crunched the numbers. I mean, top of the line AMD right now is the 7900 XTX, which is I believe it's $900 or $1,000 right now. That's top of the line current gen. Top of the line last gen is the RX 6950 XT. And that was just $1,000 or $900. Now it's about $600, $630. So I'm going that route. I'll just get top of the line last gen. And with the paired with the CPU I have, I mean, I'm decent. And the 6950 XT has 16 gigabytes of RAM. So that's about what you need to play the newest AAA titles. Like with your graphic settings on high, like in 4K and all that. All right, across the market real quick. Let's see what we have, because like I said, we're coming up in those at lunchtime. It's usually that dead time. Don't let it fool you though. I've seen some nice price action and volatility to trade off of during the lunch period lately. And look, pushing up, getting up to 41.22. Nvidia damn near on the highs. AMD on the highs. Meta pushing up again to come test this 138 and change. Will it reject again? I don't know. You really have to watch this. Now remember, we pushed up here before. We need to see what happens when we get here or here. Apple's still backside, bro. In my opinion, you really can't expect the Qs to really take off until Apple gets frontside. Tesla's frontside. Damn, that wasn't a bad idea. I could have just executed a couple trades on my other platform. It's too late for all that now, though. I'm just gonna. We gotta find. We need to find an undervalued blue chip company right now to add to the long term. Added Palantir, added Disney, Tesla, SpyQs. What about ChargePoint? We're right on support here off the daily on ChargePoint. $8 and change, about $8.25. It's actually, if we crack any lower, it's $8. I believe it's going to be a new 52-week low. So I don't know how I feel about adding to that. SoFi has short sale restriction on. Damn, look where it's trading at now, bro. Dude, I had like damn near almost 1,000 shares of SoFi at one point. I was for sure like, oh, as soon as they fix the student loan shit, this thing's on a rocket. Because it's a good company. But that student loan bullshit, like, killed it. Now they got short sale restriction on. It's definitely cheap enough to be adding. But dog, at least get back above $5 first. You could load up on it and sell covered calls. Look at this thing. Off the watch list, bro. Running, son. What? And when in doubt, zoom out. IPO'd at what, 92? Got as high as 190, damn there, before fading. Support at 10. Support at 1750s. Support at 1750s on the daily. Ever since then, look, ever since the 3rd, we've been putting in higher lows. Healthy pullback, then a rip. So as bullish as this thing is looking, we need to be paying attention to where the next resistance is off the daily. 25, 20. 25 flat. 25. 2480s, 25. And then after that, 2590s, so about 26. 2607. 2680s. 2780s. Definitely 2830s. $28, 22. Look, rejected off that thing 5 days in a row. Right here as well. Broke above it. So I'd be looking at $25, $26, 28.20s, and then obviously 34, 35. I mean, who knows if we get back up there anytime soon. Just you need to be cognizant of them. Hey, I've been talking about this play for like over a week now. Still pushing higher, bro. The $25 calls are 90 cents. Expire in 3 days. All right, we're going into that lunchtime, dead time. Perfect opportunity for me to make sure I'm not going to get this freaking thing. I can still make some trades. Hold on. We got stocks with high implied volatility this week. Let's just go over those real quick. TRVN. Moving. On. Fading. Remember, high implied volatility could be both ways, up or down. Bolero. Look at this thing. High implied volatility. Farfetch, Barcoding, Goose. I mean, definitely volatility both ways. All right, check out a couple more line group holdings. I mean, popping pre-market, fading. It's a Baidu for the long term. Let's see. Yeah, bro. I like that. But Baidu's a little it looks like it's extended as high as 350. I don't know, bro. Look at Baidu for the long term, bro. 133 calls expiring in 3 days or $2, $200 each. Baidu's looking decent. I think we went over Troika. Popping. Look, this is a major level. $0.23. GD Culture Group. Popping, son. All of this was on the watch list. Look, started running from sub 450s. Got as high as 1050. That's a double. VVPR. Fading. Look what it did yesterday. Right after hours. Was it something to do with earnings? Whatever it did, it gave it all back. Ideanomics. It's a penny stock. And what's this one? Applied Digital Corp. Look at this thing popping. This thing just woke up recently. Damn. I don't like the way it's taking so long for the market data to load. See that? But look, popping from 330s up to 550 at the highs and holding on to a higher low. Right here, 450s. If we can maintain a higher low right here at 450s, you can see holding as support, broke down, acted as resistance for a second, back as support. We need to consolidate above 450. If that thing can do that, there's still more room to run. And there's more off the watch list. But like I need to call and verify something real quick. All right, 411.50s was the level. I'm gonna get rid of it. Q's still damn near closer to the highs. I just, dog, the SPY is so far backside though. Really quick. This is what we have on the S&P 500. Obviously, some resistance up here at 41.27. We've rejected off of that level now 3 times. Look, 1, 2, 3. And now it's fighting with this lower resistance here. Stock says looking like it wants to dump, which means the semi should remain on the highs. As you can see, that's about what you see. Look, you could have faded Meta once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and damn near a 6th time, depending on what happens right here. It's still early though. And the simple fact that the S&P 500 has broken back above 41.22 is promising for the bulls. But remember, there's some resistances up here. 41.26 and then 41.27 or 41.28. S&P 500 back up here at, well, actually no, I was saying faded. When we're like up here, so you can grab the 13 puts closest to the money. You know I called that though, bro. Gotta give me my props. $411.90s, 412s. Q's on the highs. Look, rejecting off that 412. But look at Apple, way front side now. Shut down long term. I don't know what I should add. I'm gonna do some research. Definitely looking bullish. Look, going into lunchtime, bro. Dude, I can't miss. I don't want to miss any opportunities. Let me jump off real quick and get my shit squared away so I can make a couple trades here, bro. I mean, Screen time is valuable, but I need to be making trades. So what I'm gonna do is during lunchtime, handle that real quick. I'll be back on in a little bit, if not, at least for power hour. You feel me? Get that straightened out, make a few trades, and now I'll be back. So holla at your boy. Anyways, it's your boy E with some finance solutions. Again, if you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe. Hit the bell and get the hell over to my Discord and or Patreon to sign up for that daily morning briefing and watch list, which gives you that edge, brethren. Peace. And peace to all my haters. See you later. Eat a beat.